Hello, I'm Edwina. I'm the founder of Blooming Curious, the podcast and blog where I've been trying to inspire educators of young and primary age children to become more curious about the way they approach teaching. I've been doing this for a little while now, but just last week I thought I would actually see if YouTube could be the answer to connecting with an audience of curious educators and parents who also value curiosity over worksheets and tick boxes. So here I am, just shy of my 60th birthday, to give YouTube a go and hopefully inspire educators and parents to be more curious when it comes to teaching. If you like being real and you value hands-on learning, then hit the subscribe button somewhere on this screen. Also, go and check out my website for the resources on there for educators who value real hands-on learning experiences that get kids thinking and doing the learning instead of being these passive passengers on the journey. Okay, that's it. Here we go.